Have you tried affiliate marketing but struggled with where actually to share your links and get your commissions? Then this is the right place. You're at the right junction. You're at the right bus stop, because whether you're a new affiliate marketer or whether you're an expert, you'll find this video highly insightful, because I'm going to be sharing with you a website where you'll be able to share your links to your potential customers. And because most of these expert affiliate marketers tell you, about affiliate marketing, but they don't really show you where you can actually share your links, the right places to share your links to get your clients and to get your commission. So that's why I'm here for you. So please don't move a muscle. I'll be right back with the content of the video. Welcome back, guys. You're welcome to my channel. It's Angela Akashili's place. I make videos on how to make money online, how to design, and sometimes I give you a little bit of juicy entertainment. So do well to subscribe to my channel. Okay, click the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified whenever I have a new video coming up, guys. Seriously, I have good, sweet information for you. So you affiliate market lovers, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, basically affiliate marketing in a simple man's term is where you serve as the middleman, where, just like you have your retailers in, real life scenarios, you are like the middleman between the buyer and the seller. So all you do is share links and make your commission. Some commissions go up to like 50%, like when you share Fiverr links. Okay, I have a lot of videos on affiliate marketing, so you can actually go to my videos and then find out, other ways that you can, actually do this affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing gurus tell you that, you can make tons of money, millions of dollars, okay, as an affiliate marketer, but they don't actually tell you where you can share your links. Some videos might be generous enough to tell you to go to Facebook and share your links or your WhatsApp status and all that. Yes, it's good, but it's not too good, because you can get all sorts of people from there, all sorts of people. You need your target clients, your target audience, people that will actually buy from you. So now I'm here with good news for you. If you don't know where you can be sharing your links, where you can, sell your products, sell other people's products, it's cool. I have this website. This website is not Pinterest. Pinterest is known for also sharing your links. I'm going to be doing a video on Pinterest, but this is way better. Why I said so, I'm going to tell you why I said so, because in this video, we're going to analyze, ways that you can share your links on this website, and you can, make recommendations. You have your list, and then you get your target clients, you get your commissions, okay, and it's pretty easy to set up. Now, you cannot set up on your own on this website. You have to go through someone. That's the way it was designed. You have to be recommended, okay? So if you want my recommendation, click on the link below to get started on this particular website. And the website is Benable. I don't know why it's called Benable, whether the owner is called Ben. I don't know why it's called Benable, but what exactly is Benable? Benable is your go-to tool for creating stunning shareable lists of the things you love, whether it's your favorite products, top-notch services, or the most incredible recipes. Benable has you covered. It's basically your all-in-one platform to showcase your recommendations, and guess what? You do it in style. Now, you might be thinking, isn't this like Pinterest? Well, you're right. It's a great question. Now, both platforms allow you to create and curate your collections, but Benable is exceptional because it takes you to the next level. It's not just about pinning images like Pinterest. It's about crafting personalized lists that with detailed recommendations. Think of it as your digital treasure trove of awesomeness. All right. Now let's talk about its features so that I don't just go on and on and on. With Benable, you can actually add photos, you can add descriptions, you can add your links, and that's why we're here, right? And you can even rank your own recommendations. It's like creating your own mini guide for your followers. Do you understand? Like when you have followers, you're actually telling them, please go here and buy this product. You understand? Oh, and did I mention that it's user friendly? Okay, now Benable understands that you need something user friendly, so it's super intuitive. It actually just navigates through your stuff, right? And which makes it perfect for tech wizards, and then you who might need a little bit of help with your in your digital department. So it's actually user friendly. It's very easy to use. That's what I'm saying, basically. Very easy to use. Like, I didn't even waste time setting up my account and putting in my recommendations. Now, what do? You simply go in to get your links, then attach the links and the images. You can get fine images. Okay, in my next video, if you want me to do a tutorial video on how exactly you can actually get your images, okay, free images, and then attach links to those images, as well as how to put descriptions, catchy descriptions, please let me know in the comment section, and I will be number one person to do the video for you. Why should you actually choose Benable over other platforms, right? Now, well, unlike some platforms that you can feel cluttered, sometimes Pinterest can be a little bit confusing, right? Benable is all about simplicity. Your recommendations take the center stage without distractions. You don't go from here to another website and all that. No, it's just straight. Plus, it's a fantastic way to connect with like-minded individuals who share your passions. One good thing about it is that other people that are also recommending will also find your page and then also follow you, and then you guys can copy each other. Yeah, no harm in that, and then just do your thing, right? So it's actually a very good way to connect with other creators, other affiliate marketers, and do what they do. And then it's really, really easy to use. If you don't make money this year, you're a lazy person. I'm sorry to say that, but it's the truth. Let's circle back to Pinterest for a moment. Okay, while Pinterest is fantastic, I'm actually going to do a video about Pinterest, so it's actually fantastic for inspiration and discovery. Benable is more focused on personal recommendations. It's not just about what's popular. It's about what you genuinely love and want to share with others. Imagine creating a list of your top travel destinations, or your must-try recipes, or even your favorite tech gadgets. That's what I did with my own Benable, right? With Benable, possibilities are endless. And the best part is that you can actually share your list seamlessly across other social media platforms, bringing your recommendations to a wider audience. And it's a cool way of making money online. Okay, so just take this as the Benable versus Pinterest showdown, right? Who wins in your own assessment from what I've said? Who is the winner? Okay, let me know in the comment section. If you still feel Pinterest is better than Benable after all I've said, then I don't know. If you're ready to take your recommendations to the next level, give Benable a try. Just try it out. There's no harm in trial. Now, I've dropped a link in the description, like I said, so that you can go ahead, click on it, and explore Benable's awesomeness. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Before I round off this video, I want to take out time to talk to you about this year. I'm actually going to do a video about, how to be a better you in this year. You have to make more money this year. You have to be a better version of yourself. So it's not like I'm there. It's not like I'm perfect, but I'm in a very comfortable place. I'm talking about in terms of manifestations, in terms of, making money online, in terms of fulfilling purpose. You're not on earth by mistake. You are not here by happenstance or by circumstance. You are here for a reason, and it's all connected to the supreme being. I'm talking about God. So I'm going to be doing a video on how to be a better you in this year. No dulling. I want you to take out time. Don't just go about, doing videos and whatever you want to do. Take out time. Take out time. Plan properly this month of January. And secondly, I'm going to be doing a 20-day challenge starting from 1st of February. I'm intentionally saying this so that I'll commit myself. I want us to do, if you're interested in content creation, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description so you join a group for 1st of February. We're going to kick off. It's going to be a 20-day challenge. On every single day of February for 20 days, we're going to be creating a video. It's tasking, it's daunting. Believe me, we're going to be creating a video for YouTube. So if you're interested, let me know in the comment section and say I'm interested, and I will add you to a group where we're going to make this money. Whatever content you're interested in making. Now, remember, our target is to actually monetize. The whole reason for doing this 20-day challenge is for you to be able to start up, if you don't have a YouTube channel, to start up your own YouTube channel. Then the second thing I'm going to do for you is that I'm going to help you. We're going to help ourselves to, create content about, we're going to do stuff that we love and also your audience will love. We're going to have a target audience. We're going to do stuff. We're going to learn how to start up your YouTube channel, all for free, guys. All for free. We're going to create a YouTube channel if you don't have one. And if you have one, we're going to optimize it by creating content daily. So if you know you're serious about creating content, I'm going to join the 20-day challenge. Say I'm interested, and I'm going to, reach out. I'm going to send you a link where you will join a group, and then we'll set out on our 20-day challenge. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video. I'll see you next time. And you're going to President Angela Akashili. Peace out.